clear carbon polished non-clear coat Regera. It's stunning in its own right because it's no disturbing colors. Garage, opening in Switzerland, 22nd of March 2019. Check it out. And the calipers are black, brake calipers, so it's really tastefully done. It's like a stealth bomber. No colors will be visible on the radar, or for anyone for that matter. And you can't get enough of looking on this car either. I thought I liked the Jesco, but this now I kind of like the Regera as well. The Jesco wheels, or the first carbon wheels on the Regera, would be nice. Just look at it, just carbon craziness. It's carbon everywhere. Carbon madness.
Collègue avec moi sur les deux frères colombiens, il n'a pas voulu jouer du regret Taïga,
Just everything. Carbon is just insane. Let's see, what do we have here? Like, for some reason this looks a bit more discreet than the other Regera interiors. I don't know if everything's black, that's why. Two front, 0 in the rear. Oh, really? It's news for me. Ja, på DJI kan jag visa dig, ska se, oj.